Hello everyone, today we're going to be making these tiny orange poppies. They look pretty good in my opinion, but were very easy to make. So if you're interested in learning how I made these step by step, please keep watching. For this project you will need scrap pieces of paper, hole punches in the shape of flowers, some floral wire, wire cutters, a pair of scissors, and some tacky glue. I failed to add this in earlier, but you're going to need some paint in orange and yellow and a small brush. I'm using pieces of paper that are leftovers from giant paper flowers that I've made in the past and other projects. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all the pieces, but I picked out the ones that I think would go well with the color of orange poppies. Especially this one. I absolutely love this piece because it was touched by the sun and began to fade, so it's got various colors of tangerine that I think will work quite nicely. I now have paper poppy craft kits available in my Etsy shop featuring this tangerine colored paper that you see before you now. There are limited quantities because I am using the actual 2 sheets that I have to create these kits. So if you want to take all the guesswork out of making miniature poppies, please check out the link in the description or visit me on Etsy. My shop name is Take It Breezy. Thank you.